Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to make these flowers. You can style it anyhow you want. It is detachable. You can style it anyhow you want, anywhere you want. Okay, this is a plain crepe, and then I used an organza to do this. So sit tight and enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Okay, so let's get right into it. We are going to use an organza, maybe 2 yards, and then needle and thread plus pins to hold them as you pin them anywhere you want before attaching them. Please subscribe and watch till the end to get value out of it. Thank you. So this organza is 2 yards. I'm putting it on fold, okay, like 4 cm, 2 cm on fold, and then I'll cut it out. So after that, this is when you open it is 4 cm, but when you close it is 2 cm. You can make yours bigger. So after doing that, you fold them out, the rough edges, and then you fold it back into 2. Then use your needle and thread to do like a gather. Okay, use your needle and thread to gather it the way I'm gathering my own right now. Use your needle and thread to gather it to make like a gather. If you can use your machine to do it, no problem, but I use needle and thread to gather my own. Make sure that the gathers are not too tight. Okay, loosen it like this. Let there be breathing space in the gathers, but you can make it too tight too, depending on how you want your flower to look like. Okay, so you start folding them like so. You see the way I'm folding it? So you turn them inside so that the flower will come out. Okay, you keep turning them till the end. As you are turning them, you can see that our flower is already forming. As you are turning them, you use your needle and thread to hold it so that it will not spoil. As you are turning them, use your needle and thread to hold them so that it will not spoil. So keep using the needle and thread to tack it so that it will not spoil. And then when you are done, you tie the rope together so that it will not spoil. So see the outcome of the whole process. This is the result after tacking it. Okay, so there are so many ways to do this flower. Okay, this is one of the ways, by gathering it with needle and thread, and then you turn it and keep tacking it. All right, so this is the second one. You can pleat it with your machine. Okay, and then after pleating it, you turn it. You can also gather it. Okay, you can also do this on your clothes. You can sew it on your clothes. So there are so many ways. This is one of the ways to do it. So this is the second one. It's almost the same thing with the first one. So after gathering it, you try to relax the gathers, and then you start folding it inside the way we did for the first one. As you can see, the flower stuff has already started coming out. As you fold, you tack. So keep folding and tacking, keep folding and tacking. So this is how it looks like in the end. So you can do as many as you want. Okay, you can do as many as you want, and you can place it anywhere on the fabric, anywhere on your dress you want to place it. Okay, so you can place it anywhere you want to place it, anyhow you want to place it with your needle and thread, or you place it with your pin first and then you tack it with your needle and thread. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.